Hello everybody, time for some updates for you with J7409 weather. We've got, my goodness, in this brown, everywhere in this brown, high wind warnings. This is warnings and watches. We've got watches over here in Nevada and in parts of Arizona and California, but these are warnings, and you guys need to pay attention because these warnings are going to go in effect Wednesday morning, and they're going to last through late Wednesday night. We're going to be having some thunderstorms to pop up and come through this way too, but right now the main concern getting the word out is the wind. You're going to have 30, 40, 50 mile-per-hour winds with 60, 65, or even higher wind gust in any of these areas. So if you're out there traveling, I know I got me some people that drive trucks everywhere. If you're going to be out in this area, please, please, please be careful, okay? Because this is really what's going to be going on. You need to pay attention and be aware. When we move it on up now, like in northeastern Colorado and over here in southeastern Wyoming and western Nebraska, excuse me, Nebraska. What this is, you're under a blizzard warning, and it goes in effect early Wednesday morning also, and it's going to run till 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Thursday. You're going to be under this for a while. Now, blizzard conditions are expected in these areas. You guys could get, this is unbelievable, 10 to 18 inches of snow and some very intense snowfall rates, and the wind's gonna gust as high as 60 miles per hour. So please, please, if you're going to be traveling any of these areas where you see this orange, in Nebraska and also down here in Colorado, any of these counties, any of these areas, and a little bit of Wyoming over here, be careful. Once again, 10 to 18 inches of snow, 60-mile-per-hour winds. It's a blizzard warning. It's not a watch. It goes in effect early Wednesday morning, and it doesn't go out, excuse me, until 6 p.m. Thursday. So please, please keep this in mind, okay? Now, what we see here is blue, 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 right? And this is for around north central and northeast South Dakota. Well, you guys, you're under a winter storm watch. That's what all of this blue is. Everybody that's in the blue, you're under a winter storm watch from Wednesday morning through late Thursday night, and blizzard conditions that you see right here are probably moving right on up, and that's why blizzard conditions are going to be possible for you guys, but you won't get as much snow. Your total snow accumulation should be probably 5 to 10 inches with some ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Now your winds are still going to get windy. You're going to have wind gusts of 60 miles per hour also. And this is for Wednesday morning through Thursday night. Other than that, we see the green. My goodness, everybody knows what the green means all the way down in Kansas, parts of Nebraska, just about the entire state of Iowa, and parts of Minnesota, southern Minnesota, and Wisconsin. This, of course, is a flood watch. Now, you know, you guys have had a lot of snow. The snow's melting. You're probably going to be getting some rainfall, it's looking like, to lead to significant rises of your rivers and streams. And on top of all that, there is the greatest possibility of ice jams occurring. So please keep this in mind. These things can pop up on you in a split second. So everywhere in the green, that is a flood watch. The lighter greens that you see over in Montana, parts of Wisconsin, and over in southern Illinois, and a little bit of Indiana right here. What this is, and all around in Tennessee, this is flood advisories. Flood advisories. And other than that, we don't have a whole lot going on right now, but this is enough. this is enough. Very high winds are coming in. We've got snow that's very intense in certain places over the U.S., and that's going to be moving to other places. So that's what it's looking like right now so far as the watches and warnings are going. Taking a look at severe weather that is possible for today, Tuesday, of course, March 11th, 2019 it is, which was yesterday. Today's the 12th. I looked at the calendar wrong. But anyway, here's what it's looking like, folks. You can see right in here we got this 15% chance, and then it goes to 5% up in these areas. Well, it's all because the warm conveyor over the southern high plains is going to promote widespread clouds and scattered showers and storms over northwest Texas during the morning before increasing low-level moisture with strong southeasterly flow acts to destabilize the warm sector. Now, strong to severe storm development will likely begin during the late afternoon and early evening over New Mexico into far west Texas. Now, hail can also be accompanying these stronger updrafts, but strong forcing for ascent coupled with eastward acceleration of the Pacific front into the southern high plains during the evening, it's going to favor a quick transition to an organized squall line, and this squall line can have several gusts becoming the primary hazard. So I showed you earlier like 65 mile per hour wind gust. That's going to be the primary thing in this. Also, you have a chance of hail. There is a small chance you could have a tornado. Hopefully one of these cells will not turn into anything like that for today, but there's always that chance, so make sure and watch your skies carefully. Weather coming in. We're on the European model now. I have it set for early this morning. Timestamp is down at the bottom. You can see those thunderstorms start to form in Texas and over in New Mexico, moving to the northeast. Now, everything on the East Coast is looking pretty good for today in the morning hours, but those storms over in Texas and New Mexico moving up into the Oklahoma Panhandle start to intensify. I will keep my eyes on this throughout the day, and if anything does develop in the way of a tornado, I will be sure and put it up for you if I am here when it happens. Other than that, though, over in Arkansas and Louisiana by Wednesday, they're going to be headed your way and into western Tennessee early Thursday morning, and they're going to track all the way across, while the folks up in the Nebraska Panhandle and in South and North Dakota, parts of Wyoming, very northern Michigan, you guys are going to be getting some snow, as you can see right here. And this is Thursday night around 11 and 12 a.m. And wrapping it up right quick before I get out of here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click my picture down in the bottom right-hand corner. Click the bell and check off the email notifications to ensure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any severe weather that might pop up and be headed your way. Here, of course, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, is a NAM 12 km near surface reflectivity map. It's going to go through the next couple of days. I'm going to turn it on and just tell you what the really big story is. Okay, we got a system that, of course, is coming up and out, and once a system ejects southwest into the plains by Wednesday, what's going to happen ahead of this system? Showers and thunderstorms will increase across the southern plains today. Now, with atmospheric conditions favorable for both heavy to excessive rainfall and severe weather, of course, I've showed you where there's a chance for flash flooding and severe thunderstorms are going to occur. And by Wednesday, the storm is expected to rapidly intensify across the central plains, leading to the development of heavy snowfall to the northwest of the low center across parts of the central and northern plains. And it should last into Thursday. Now, strong and gusty winds are going to accompany the system, as well as leading to severe blizzard conditions across some areas, and I've already showed you those, so please be aware, okay? Now, to the south, it's the rain and the thunderstorms across the southern plains. They're just going to continue, folks, and they're going to expand north and northeastward with time along the attendant cold front. And another day of heavy to excessive rainfall and strong to severe thunderstorms is going to be very possible Wednesday from the plains and into the Mississippi Valley. Warm air surging northward ahead of the system into the Midwest over an area with deep snowpack will support rainfall and accelerated snowmelt, resulting in flooding concerns Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So that's a check of your weather today, what is coming up, what is on the way. Please be safe and please be aware. Anything pops up out of the ordinary, I'll make sure and get it up for you. In the meantime, have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you subscribers and care about you. And I thank you for just watching my videos. Everybody have a great day. Peace, love, and kindness to all.